Tell me, why do real estate professionals thrive? Why do some, while others struggle simply to survive? Let's think about a survivor. The caveman. I don't think anyone confused a caveman for a thriver, but much more so a survivor. What did they do? Right? They went out. They found the herd for that day. Took their big log, giant stick, clonked one over the head if they could, dragged it back home, and they ate for the night, only to have to go do through that entire process again later. Right? The problems with survival marketing is that you're always chasing. I'm sure y'all are familiar with the experience in real estate where you have a ton of business and then no business, and then a lot of business and then no business, right? This is the paradox that real estate agents have to break through in order to really thrive in this industry. And the reason is marketing is disjointed. On again, off again. I'm generating leads, I'm not generating leads. I'm generating leads, I'm not generating leads. And that stems from the fact that agents don't have the confidence that the marketing plan is actually going to work, right? So you have to have a consistent marketing plan that you have confidence in.